A very massive welcome to all those tuning in to today's live stream. It's a pleasure. It's always a pleasure having you here. If you're tuning in from Nigeria, Uganda, the United States, the UK, wherever you're tuning in, it's a pleasure having you here. Now, gents, I don't want to waste time. The title of this stream is very clear. We want to retire. I want to explain to you how you can retire on 0.1 Bitcoin, but inculcating the MSTY cash flow strategy. So recently, the MSTY chart has been in red, and a lot of you have been asking that, bro, are you still as bullish as you were on MSTY? Listen, gents, I don't have any intention of trying to sell you some fantasy, some dreams, but what I intend to do is to break down, to dismantle that old age fiat scam sold to you by the academicians, by the dimwits, that you can actually work very hard and sometimes retire, and then I'll show you what actually works. In simple terms, by the end of this stream, I'll have shown you how MSTY, a very powerful YieldMax MicroStrategy option income vehicle paired with just 0.1 Bitcoin could indeed set you up for real financial freedom in as little as 5 years. I'm not going to talk magic. This is just a strategy, and it is backed by trends. We are talking about turning just 0.1 Bitcoin into a path towards freedom within 5 years. And that is, of course, if you play it right. This is gonna work. So, sir stroke madam, I need you to tell your boyfriend or girlfriend that you are so busy right now. Get yourself locked in the door. Just tune in, because what I'm about to drop is generational financial edutainment. And you will kick yourself, I assure you, if you dare miss this. I just want us to cut through the noise. The idea of retirement as it was sold to you is a scam. The concept that you can work 40 years, save $1 million, then sit back and relax. That used to work in the 1970s, not presently. Today, if you get a salary rise, the landlord chooses it, takes it. You can't even save. And for the few who can manage to save, inflation eats up everything. When you choose to hustle hard, the taxman comes calling. He hustles harder. They keep saying, just save, grind more, bro. That's not the plan. It is simply a treadmill to nowhere. That's a fact. Now let us try and talk facts. When people look at that MSTY chart, they think, oh, Jesus Christ, this thing is tanking. But then they keep buying and hoping that the chart will rebound back to $20. That's wrong. That is a very wrong way of looking at it, because the very mechanism, the very design of MSTY is not to be held for the price, for the appreciation of the price. This thing is constructed in such a way that every time it bleeds, it builds income, it yields income. That's its mechanism. So to see it in the perspective of that it will rebound and you make some money, that's where you get it wrong. So what I'm trying to explain is that do not wait for the price to rebound. Simply take advantage of let it drip, collect the dividends, and use these dividends to reinvest them in Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the only asset that doesn't care about this inflation nonsense, because of its hard, a fixed cap of 21 million supply. So MSTY, by its very design, it is designed to continue bleeding, I don't want you to panic. People panic and say, oh, it's dying. The proof is that bleeding is not a failure, it is a mechanism. MSTY is built to bleed price so it can pay you income. I want you to look at the distribution. This machine has paid out $15 per share since January of this year. And if you compare that to the share price drop, that is less compared to what has been paid out. So if you were focused on the chart, you would think you are losing. But the truth is, if you focused on income, you would see that you are winning. That is why I keep warning you. The trap is reinvestment. Do not reinvest in MSTY. If you dump those distributions back in MSTY, you are just buying back the same blood. You are spinning in circles. The smart play is use MSTY for what it is, an income machine. Now, obviously, this is very hard to grasp because a lot of you have been trained to think in terms of price. Green candles, you think green candles equals good price. Red candles equals bad. Consequently, when you see MSTY price dripping, you think, oh, you are losing. But the truth is, most people don't want to accept that bleed is the engine. It is not dying. It is simply paying you. Let me put the actual numbers into perspective. This year, January through to August, MSTY has already paid out 14.37 per share. Annualized, that's around 21.55 per share. Now, say you put $10,000 in at $20 per share, that's 500 shares. Here is what really happened. In that period, you have already collected more than $7,185 in cash in just 8 months. Projected forward, that's around $10,775 by the end of 12 months. Yes, the share price has dropped from $20 to $15. That's about $2,500 hit. Now, but even after that, you're still being paid nearly $4,700 net. So while some people will be trolling and laughing at the chart, the real holders are quietly pocketing more income than most people making their savings accounts in a decade. So now here is the most important question, the biggest question of all of them. Why not just buy Bitcoin directly? Why bother with MSTY? And here is why. If you buy Bitcoin, you've got a rock. It just sits there and you hope it moves. If you buy MSTY, you've got a machine. Yes, it spits out cash every single month, even if it loses some oil. You don't stare at the rock and pray. You use the machine to buy more stocks. It's like this. Guy A throws $10,000 into Bitcoin. He got maybe 0.09 Bitcoin. Guy B throws $10,000 into MSTY. 8 months later, he collects cash equal to 0.065 Bitcoin, and he still owns the machine. Guy A is sitting, guy B is stacking. That's the difference. Now, and then what about the taxes? Of course, some people talk about the taxes, but yes, you lose about 30% maybe, but even after taxes, you are still stacking thousands of dollars into Bitcoin every year. That didn't come from your paycheck. I need you to compare that to keeping $10,000 in your bank account. The bank account will give you $30 in a year. MSTY gives you $5,000 after taxes. I mean, and you continue to complain about the bleed? Come on. So who is MSTY for? I want you to listen very carefully. If you don't already own Bitcoin, MSTY is not where you want to start from. First, you need to buy the rock and then build that foundation. MSTY is for people who already own Bitcoin but want a way to stack more without touching their salaries. People who don't want to sell their Bitcoin, who cover small expenses. People who need that psychological comfort of a monthly income while being able to hold Bitcoin long term. Now, because here's the ugly truth. Most people panic sell their Bitcoin because they feel broke. If you get sick, you end up selling your Bitcoin. If you get a problem, a massive problem, no more problems, you end up selling your Bitcoin. This is a problem that MSTY solves. You know, it gives you cash flow so that you can continue to hold your Bitcoin without touching it. Because I said you don't touch Bitcoin. Bitcoin is supposed to be untouchable. So the final word on MSTY disappearing, that's bullshit. No, it will not. In the worst case scenario, we will see a reverse split. That doesn't erase the thousands of dollars you've already gotten in your payouts. It doesn't. So MSTY isn't your forever home, and I've said that. Do not treat it like a religion. Simply treat it as a cash machine. That's it. Milk it. You don't have to get married to it. So I just want to challenge you, and I would like to ask you, will you be the kind of person who keeps staring at the charts and continue crying about the red candles and ultimately you end up broke? Or are you going to be the kind of person who sees the bleed for what it is, a facet, and then use it to stack more Bitcoin month after month, year after year, until you have built your own freedom? That is the difference. It is the same products, two different mindsets, and obviously two different outcomes. Now, all right, let's tackle the question that keeps coming up. What if MSTY goes to zero? What if it disappears? For starters, MSTY is not a tech startup that is going to collapse overnight. No, it is an engineered income product. And yes, it's true, its price continues to bleed. Yes, over time, it may even require a reverse split, as I have explained before. Of course, just like any other leveraged products. But the idea that it might disappear, no, that is no. A very big no. Simply because MSTY does not exist to grow like Tesla or Apple. It exists for one fundamental reason: to churn out distributions. That's the entire blueprint on which it is built. Now, I need you to look at the numbers, because the numbers do not lie. In the last 12 months alone, MSTY has been able to pay over $30 per share. Now, if you had held it through that period, you would already have pulled back more than the share price itself. So even if the ticker resets through a reverse split, your cash is already in hand and it is real. You have already eaten. That's why I keep saying that MSTY isn't something you marry, it is something you milk. And here is what you need to do, because if at this point you haven't looked at your mindset shift, then you're in very big trouble. If you are buying MSTY waiting for it to go back to $20, you are setting up yourself for some serious pain, because it might never happen. Well, I'm not saying that it will not happen entirely, but there is a very big likelihood that it may not. Now, if you're buying MSTY to extract income and funnel it into Bitcoin, you are playing the right game, sir. That is how you do it. The first group, you are setting up yourself to end up bitter. The second group, you are ending up stacking a lot more Bitcoin every single month. So I want to give you a very quick scenario. I want you to imagine that you own 500 shares at 20. You bought at $20. The chart today says those shares are down up to around $15, and you are feeling like a loser. But the reality is, in 8 months this year, you have already banked $7,185 in distribution. That's money in your pocket, not a chart on your phone. And if you took that $7,185 and just blew it, well, of course, sure, you will have gained nothing. But if you understand the game and you have stacked that into your Bitcoin at $110,000 per Bitcoin, that is 0.065 Bitcoin. Now, do that consistently for 5 years, and then you tell me what's going to happen to you. So, no, it will evolve. It will split and probably bleed, but then continue paying, and that will repeat. It is a tool. It's a tool, and it's not a forever asset. Your job is not to worship this ticker. No, your job is to use that machine, bank the payouts, and build real assets like Bitcoin. The final one, this particular feeling for people who have this kind of mindset is MSTY doesn't disappear. What disappears are the opportunities of people who stare at the chart, cry about the bleed, and never take action and never touch the cash flow. The bleed feeds it. If you don't use it, you are starving yourself while the machine is spitting food. Now, earlier I already showed you that $10,000 into MSTY at $20 per share equals 500 shares. Now, from January through August, those 500 shares have already paid out $7,185 in cash. That annualizes at about $10,000, $775 a year in payouts. Now, if we run that straight for the next 5 years, in the first year you're going to buy $10,775. The same for the second year. I'm basing on the assumption that we'll continue having the same payouts. Of course, they might be more, they might be slightly less, but that is it. So over 5 years, you'll have funneled roughly $53,875 into Bitcoin, and that is without touching your paycheck. Now, I want us to compare a scenario A where you drop $10,000 straight into Bitcoin presently at $110,000 per coin. You get about 0.09 Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes 10x, that is to $1 million, you are sitting at $90,000. Scenario B, you drop $10,000 into MSTY, and over 5 years, you'll have directed payouts into Bitcoin of about 53,875 worth. Now, that is at today's price, that is 0.49 BTC. If Bitcoin goes to 10x to 1 million, you are sitting on $490,000. That's not a mistake. It is not. This same $10,000 starting point, one guy buys the stock and hope. The other guy runs the machine, stacks the rock every month, and ends up with 5x in Bitcoin. And the most amazing part is that you will still own the MSTY machine. It keeps spitting while your BTC keeps growing. That is why I keep hammering. MSTY isn't about the price chart. It's about converting bleed into Bitcoin at scale. Now, most people never build a serious Bitcoin stack because life gets in the way. This happens: bills, emergencies, distractions. With MSTY, you've already automated your discipline. The payouts do the stacking for you. And by over 5 years, you are not just hoping to get rich. You already have engineered a Bitcoin position worth multiple 6 figures, while other people are still crying about red candles. That is why MSTY plus Bitcoin is not just hype. It is math. It is discipline. It is freedom. So, sirs, as I conclude this stream, so let's circle back to the question we started with. Can you really retire early with just 0.01 Bitcoin? The raw answer is no. But if you just buy 0.01 Bitcoin and sit on it, you are not retiring anytime soon. But here's what you can do. If you can pair Bitcoin with MSTY, if you can let the machine bleed, collect cash, and redirect it into Bitcoin every single month, suddenly that tiny 0.01 or 0.1 Bitcoin stack grows into something far bigger, because MSTY doesn't give you price action. It gives you cash flow. And that cash flow, when funneled into Bitcoin, compounds into real growth. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the blueprint that nobody told you about. No saving 1 million in 400K savings plans, no praying for a bull run, but just using MSTY's cash machine to stack Bitcoin on an autopilot, and even a small start like 0.01 Bitcoin becomes the foundation of financial freedom. To take anything from this trip, it is this: retirement in today's world isn't about how much you save, it's about how much you stack. And with MSTY feeding your Bitcoin back, early retirement isn't a dream, it is just math. Thank you so much for paying attention. It has been so wonderful having this discussion, this engagement with you. We catch up.